Hello guys. I know I've been out for a long time now, but I'm back. And today we are going to be starting a new series of tutorials that being JavaScript programming. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is the programming language of the web browser. However, it is not limited to the web browser. It is an object-oriented programming language that operates within a host environment. Now, any host environment that has a JavaScript interpreter built in can run JavaScript code. For example, the web browser we have here. The web browser is nothing more than a desktop application which has a JavaScript interpreter built in, which allows JavaScript code to run in its environment. Now, but like I said, JavaScript is not limited to the web browser. So we can use it in other environments such as the web server. Now JavaScript used in the web server is used to create server-side applications. Now tying the two together, it's clear to see that JavaScript is a very powerful programming language because we can easily create web applications completely in JavaScript. Okay, so to illustrate what we can do with JavaScript for this introductory tutorial, we're going to create a simple program. Okay, so let's create a new folder. We're going to call it JavaScript. Okay, and let's create a file. Um, Save this file here and save it in the folder. We're going to call it index.html. Okay, and let's give it a doc type. HTML and opening and closing HTML tags. Okay, let's give it a head tag. Opening and closing. And let's give it a body as well. Okay, within the head, we need to put a meta tag, which is going to be our character set. CHARSCT UTF-8. Okay, now we can embed JavaScript code anywhere on the web page, but for this introductory tutorial, we're going to put it in the head area. But in further tutorials, I'm going to show you that we can use it anywhere on the web page, and why. I'm also going to show you why it is usually placed just before the closing body tag as well. But like I said, for this tutorial, we're going to use the head tag. So all JavaScript code must run between script tags. So we're going to put some opening and closing script tags, and we're going to put a type attribute which is actually optional, text slash JavaScript. Okay, now a simple program we're going to create for this tutorial is going to be a program that alerts a hello world message onto the screen once a button has been clicked. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the button right here. Let's call it button. Type is going to be button, and let's give it an ID, btn, and let's give it a value. Message. Okay, now we're going to create a function that will handle our alert message, and then we're going to call the function once the page has been loaded and our button has been clicked. But I'm going to explain what JavaScript functions are in further tutorials, but for the sake of this introductory tutorial, let's go ahead, CTION. So function, we're going to give the function name, let's say hello. Okay, and in the function body, we're going to say simply alert hello world. Okay, now this is our function definition. Now once the page has loaded, so we're going to say window, which is the global object. So window dot onload equals function. So once the window has loaded, we're going to run a function. What our function is going to do is grab the button element, variable btn equals to document dot get element by id btn. Okay, let's open this out a little. Okay, so we're going to say btn dot on click. Once the button has been clicked, we're going to run another function. Okay, so once the button has clicked, we're going to run a function which is going to call the say hello world function. So we're going to say simply say hello. We're going to call the function say hello. Okay, so Control S to save this, and let's go to our folder here. Okay, so once the button has been clicked, it's going to say hello world. We're going to alert a message hello world. Okay, so this is our introductory tutorial to JavaScript. Okay, so we have a lot more tutorials to go, so do ensure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in further tutorials. Thank you.